meet you.
Nice to meet you. So, I've heard a lot about you.
All good.
Kind of a mixed bag. I suppose my plan of attack here is to kill him with kindness. So why don't you talk to me about yours and Lewis's relationship?
It's just a normal relationship, really, isn't it? It's a normal Sunday tradition, but you fucked that up today, so...
What's the normal Sunday tradition?
Go to Basingstoke, get a Starbucks, go shopping, get a Nando's.
Is that what you're doing together? You have date day? That's well nice.
We had to do that yesterday.
I'm really sorry. Lewis seems to think sometimes it can come across as just a bit malicious and mean.
Big word for you, innit?
I've got a degree.
Oh, yeah, fuck me. How
Yeah.
did you pay to get that?
I didn't. I studied.
You liar.
How can I be in such a lovely, relaxed environment? I'm in a beer garden, for fuck's sake. I should be having the time of my life, but instead, I'm with the world's biggest prick. What is your problem with women, exactly?
The dickhead.
Is this kid serious? Has he ever spoken to a woman before in his life? How can my Lewis be friends with someone like this? It's a very sweeping statement.
Well, true. I don't really get on with women. Especially women like Vicky, you know, all fake tan, fake nails, fake hair.
Have you met a girl that's hurt you? Is that the problem here?
We're not going into that.
You can tell me.
You got more hope you win the lottery and you get rid of that stupid Georgie accent.
I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I can see why you'd get on people's tits. I am fighting hard against every fibre of my being to just scream out loud that I hate him. I hate him so much. I wouldn't want to lose a friend like Lewis.
You would.
I mean, I wouldn't. He's so fit. He's so fit.
Well, shag him then.
No.
Why?
I'm not like that.
Fuck off, you are.
No, I'm fucking...
You're such a fucking bullshit, man.
Why does no one ever knock this kid out? I tell you, he wouldn't last 5 minutes in Newcastle. My dad would want to knock him out after saying that. I think it would be really good to get you and Lewis together so you can talk about everything, talk about the stuff that's been bothering you. You want to give it a go?
Guess so.
Good. If Mo acts the same way he did with me today, tonight, I'm going to throw a drink in his face. Not just for me, but for women everywhere. Women that he's already met and women that he's about to meet. I've met some, like, proper knobs. This guy is the king of all knobs.